Hello everyone, you may have tuned into this video because you're wondering whether an FHA loan might be right for you. So FHA loans are for various individual situations and scenarios. It can be for almost anyone, but there are reasons why you might select an FHA loan over a different type of mortgage. So I'm going to lay out the reasons here, and then you can determine whether FHA is right for you. So the first thing is that FHA loans do allow for credit scores all the way down to 500, which is much lower than what conventional loans will permit. So if you have poor credit, FHA loan may be right for you. If you have a recent bankruptcy, FHA loans have the shortest waiting period after a bankruptcy, so therefore an FHA loan might be right for you. Also, for a Chapter 13 bankruptcy, you can be in the middle of that bankruptcy and not be finished with your Chapter 13 payments without it being discharged yet and still get an FHA loan. So that makes FHA loans unique too. Another thing about FHA loans is you're able to finance a home and also pay for the rehab if you have, or upgrades. Let's say you want to remodel the kitchen, or you want to change the floors, or paint the house, or do those kinds of things. With an FHA loan, you are able to finance the home and also rehab it all with one loan. So that's a huge benefit. And another reason why an FHA loan might be right for you is you're trying to qualify for a more expensive house, and maybe you were applying for a conventional loan and you were told, for example, your maximum buying power is $200,000, but with an FHA loan, your debt-to-income ratio can go higher, up to 56.9%, depending on the lender you're speaking to and your credit scores. But 56.9% is the highest DTI allowable for FHA, which means they're letting you borrow more. Okay, of course you have to factor in the private mortgage, the mortgage insurance premium, the MIP, which would impact how much you can qualify for. But in the end, you can buy more house with an FHA loan. So those are the major reasons why an FHA loan might be right for you. Also, I wanted to talk to you about first-time home buyer misconceptions. A lot of people think that FHA loans are only for first-time home buyers. So if you're watching this and you think that an FHA loan is not for you because you've owned a home before, that's not the case. You can buy another house. You can buy your next house using an FHA loan, even if the loan on your current house was FHA, or you bought a house years ago using an FHA loan and you no longer own that home, you can still get an FHA loan again. So if you have any questions at all, you can leave them down in the comments section below. I'm also going to put a link in the description and also the first pinned comment. The link is going to be to where you can speak to someone and maybe get a quote. And also in the comments, I'm going to link to a place where you can track and monitor your credit scores. So that way you know what they are, in case you don't. If you're using some of these apps you can find on your phone like Credit Karma or some of the others, those are not accurate, and you might want to track and monitor your scores someplace where it's real. So I hope you have a great day. If you have any questions, leave them down below. Thanks for watching, and we will see you next time.